Okay, what are your views on using Windows OS and Mac OS?
I'm using Mac OS.
And I use Windows OS. And I feel Windows OS is much more better than Mac OS.
I don't think so because Mac OS is far more seamless and aesthetic, and it also provides you best performance. And Windows is stuck when they got virus
You're
or
talking
anything.
about performance and smoothness.
Hmm.
And in that, Mac OS is totally dead. The MacBooks are not even able to compete 10% of the Windows performance. And about the smoothness, you can see at most Mac OS can get only 120 Hz display. But in Windows, you can get even 500, 600 Hz display too, which make it more smoother than macOS. And yeah, being aesthetic, it's for macOS only, I believe, because such looks can only be given by macOS and MacBooks, not by Windows operating system devices, laptops.
Okay, so you are talking about the refresh rate. Let me tell you that how much is Windows processor capable of handling the refresh rate. It is not capable. The screen that you are using 500 hertz, it never gets into the 500 hertz. It only gets into 90 to 120 hertz. And in macOS, it is like constant 90 or 120. And they are providing the display of 120 hertz because they have the capacity of that, making them seamless. But Windows, they are just marketing things.
I just object your points because if you see Windows, there are a name called graphic cards, and in the graphic cards, there are different sort of graphic cards which use for graphic rendering of any games or any smoothing things. And in Mac OS, in till now in Apple products, there were nowhere the name of GPU has been set because they use integrated GPUs. But in Windows, you can use external GPUs, which can enhance the performance to around 10 to 20 times the normal performance in gaming and etc. And if you see in Mac OS and Windows, in Mac OS, if a game can be played in 30 FPS frame per second, FPS stand for, in Windows it can be played easy for 300 FPS. It is the major difference.
So you are talking about the speed. Mac OS and a Mac M1 chips doesn't require any graphic card because they are capable of doing that much of task without even graphic
You
cards.
are, I guess you are not aware of it, but let me make you aware that in Mac OS you can't even play games nice because
Who told you
in
this?
Mac
I'm
OS
sorry to interrupt you, but who told you this? I can play Cyberpunk 2077.
at
I can
what
play
FPS it just
60
gives.
FPS is constant.
Yeah, if you are saying 60 FPS and it is the topmost model which is M4 Pro Max as per my knowledge, and it gives around 60 to 70 FPS for the topmost which is around 3 lakhs. In Windows OS you can get a laptop of gaming for around 60 lakhs, 60,000, sorry for lakh. In 60,000 you can get way more FPS than the 3 lakh laptop of Mac OS. And coming to the point that whether the Mac OS is interface is good, I will say Windows OS has operating system which can change itself, and Mac OS is a Linux based operating system which is created by Linux, and we can also download Linux. And for you it's not open source. In Windows it's open source.
We don't need to download Linux because it is already Linux based, so we save a lot of storage. And about the thing performance you are telling, your performance can drain out in just few hours, 1 or 2 hours without being plugged in. But in Mac OS and in Mac system, there is no such thing. We can run to 2 3 days without even charging.
I think you are not aware of laptops. Like nowadays, laptops are coming with processor called Elite, which is generally made by Snapdragon company, and it gives a battery backup of around 20 to 24 hours, which is equivalent to the Mac, equivalent to the MacBook laptops.
Obviously, we are talking about the Snapdragon. They are
Yeah.
very new to the laptop processors, so they are still experimenting. They are not fully fledged rolled out.
Who said? Right now, if you see the
There are
if you
still
want,
hitting issues in Snapdragon processors. There are still more
yeah,
consume of
accept that.
power.
But Windows laptop person who is taking Windows laptop has already been got ready that he want performance, and he want a laptop which can do everything, and he can manage the battery life.
But what about the security? You don't have that much of security. That's
According to
Mac OS.
security reason, in Mac OS I know it's a strong security based firmware system, but yeah, firmware can easily break in, as nowadays many news are being spread that students of small classes are breaking the Mac OS, and even my friend who is senior in this campus has recently broken the Mac OS firmware and updated the Windows in his Mac OS. He can run Windows as well as Mac OS in his MacBook. And in what we want to say is that Windows Defender nowadays is getting very strong, and nowadays it's working very fine. It gives every update in every 7 days, in which it gives all the malware you have done, all the malwares. It take it out and it tells whether you want that malware, it's a malware, it's a virus, and you can take it out very easily, in which Mac OS can't give that. If you are going to install something and you want it to install, even though it contains malware, Mac OS will not allow. But in Windows you can do that by creating the folder in a separate locker, and you are just preventing that folder not letting get secured by the Windows Defender, and rest PC will stay safe except that folder.
But still there is malware in your system that can steal data from
No,
somewhere else.
that's a new point that Windows has made. Like for Mac OS, you can't
I'm
use.
not aware of this kind of technology. I don't believe
Yeah.
that this technology ever exists.
Yeah, but it's a new technology which Windows has introduced after Windows 11. There are many updates, and even if you want to know anything else about Windows, I only say Mac OS is best for only professional work and the logo and the planned value. But for a person who comes from a lower background or a middle class background, want to pursue a laptop for doing his works get done, or even you can tell a high-end worker who wants to work very high-level things, for them Windows is much more better than Mac OS.
Okay, I agree with you, and this is it for our side that Windows versus Mac OS both have their own pros and cons, and
Yes.
we want to end our video here.
So I would like to conclude that yeah, every operating system and every laptops of different brands have their own places, and which can't be replaced by other. But yeah, Windows laptops are having a little bit peak instead of Mac operating system laptops. Thank you and have a great day.